Hello guys, so we're gonna be showcasing a Japanese train simulator, and it's only a showcase, so we have to like see the entire thing. So this is the station of the Japanese railway. The line is called Osaka Ring Line. Yeah, and you see that letter over there? It says TR, which means that's a company. And that like I think that's Japanese language. I cannot do that. I'm sorry. And oh wow, is there a ticket booth? Wow, you can hear like the cars beeping, like a real Japanese. And there's even a vending machine, but the cans are kind of like low quality, so that's sad. What the? Why am I hearing that sound? Let's get a TR round trip ticket. Let's go to 150. Let's put our money in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh, there's my ticket. Here's the ticket. And now we're gonna go into the. Now remember, this is just a showcase, okay? Not an actual train ride. As you can see, I cannot read it because it looks kind of confusing, but that's okay. And there's a different platform though. Let's go here. As you can see, this is the platform, but I can't go through the track because it's only a showcase. So we're only gonna see the train going past by, not riding them. What's this announcement? What? Does that mean a train is approaching the station? Oh yeah, it is. Now where's our train though? Oh, so that's a different train. Look. Isn't that cool? When our train will arrive soon though. I don't know, maybe the train will not go here soon. I don't know. Oh, there's a train, but we can't ride it because there's no yeah, that's why. Okay, let's continue. Let's explore in the station. Let's go down. Wait, what? Is that an elevator? I can see the elevator, but I can't go to it though. It's high. And this is the train track in the above, yeah. And I don't hear anything though. But there is a chance that we can get into the train by losing the Hakisani lounge. This is not. See, this is supposed to be the interior in the train or the Osaka Loop line. It has doors. You can sit on it. See, like me, I'm sitting on it. And there's even a side entrance. I think it's the side entrance. This station name is called Momodani. Yeah. And that's like the Japan you see, but I can't go enter it. Yeah. do something. Oh, there's even the elevated train tracks. It's elevated, but let's just go into the platform. But Jeremiah, how can we go to the platform? Or in train tracks? Well, I'm gonna show you. You see this ladder over here? Let's go on it. You need to like climb carefully because like me I can't climb. Wait, let me. Okay, let's just go to the train station instead. Let me run. Let's go to the other side. Because it's what it says here. Oh, so there's a road. Also, this is Momondani Station. Oh, I cannot go on it. This is like the station. Oh. Okay, let's go to the platform. Oh, there's our train. Wait, there's fence now. Look, guys, look. There's fence in here. Best spot to train spotting, yeah. Let's see if we can stop and oh. Okay then. So that's what it looks like. Oh, you know how can I see? I went through like the flap, like the edge. I want not to fall though. We're in the elevated train tracks, and this is like the wiring and like the supports to like connect. Oh, I fall out. That's hard. The settings. Other map, other game. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, let's go back to the platform. I think see we can hear like announcement though. Let's not run. Let's go to a different platform this time. Wait, what? What's that train? That's the same train, but did I see a blue part? Interesting. But hey, at least this game is kind of peaceful and good to like actually, you know. There's even chairs. Wow. You can like, this is what it looks like though. I mean, it ain't that bad though. There's 2 tracks. There's even like, oh, you can go to the other side. Oh. Like fence though. Wait. I can't enter there. Okay, let's explore still. We might miss something. Let's run. I don't wanna waste time. Go to a different platform. Am I seeing a train? Oh my god, it's not a train, wow. Approaching the station. Approaching Momodani station. That's because I see it. This is a natural line called the Asaka Loop line, but they said that this will retire soon. Yeah, that's sad, right? And why is there a fence in here for what? Into the train tracks? That's kind of messed up. There's a building though. At the R line. There's nobody in there. It's really in the front. Let's go into here. But this is what the elevated train tracks looks like. I watched like the Japanese news and I said that this elevated train track was so old back then. And like the neighbors were worried about like the smoke coming from like the steam engines. Yeah, I don't know why they're worried. In the Philippines, I my opinion is there are safe trains though, bro. But yeah. Anyways, there's not even there's we can go to like the elevated train. I mean, this is so high, but not that high. I mean, our Philippine rail system is so high. Get like special thing about 1.5 kilometers. I think I don't know. I don't know sizes by the way. And what that Quasar looks like, you know. Anyways, is that a green train? Is this our first time seeing a green train? Let's see. Is that a green train? Oh, it is a green train. It's called the Osaka Loop Line, though. I like the train just like leaving like an actual train would do. Wait, is that many carriages? What's this? This bound for Taradacho and this bound for Usuruhashi. Oh. Is there more? Let's see. We already see like the museum, I think that's called. Hopefully there might be an update of the elevator actually working, but not like teleporting into the top. Only like it's like an actual elevator door. And there's nothing even special in here, except for the train station is kind of beautiful. And there's even a zoom in. Oh, there's another train. Oh, there's another green train. Looks like it's approaching the station. I noticed something. This is like the driver. This is like another driver. That means different carriages are connected but in the same color. Yeah. Station. I can say as a Filipino, I like this country though, even though it's kind of peaceful and is that a player? And I think someone joined. Wait, who joined though? User Master XZ. What's that again? 01. Oh, okay. I'm gonna leave the station. There it goes, and there it goes. I hear another train. Oh wait, I think it's not. Okay, let's see. So that is the end of the video, guys. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell for more notifications on my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys, and thank you for 102 subscribers. We hit the goal. Now our second goal to hit subscribers is 900. Cause I always dream of like that. Okay, and popular YouTubers already have that. So okay, we have to hit the goal. Okay, bye.